This footage highlights high-risk situations in heavy manufacturing, such as a hot metal component ejecting from a casting line and striking a worker. Another scene shows an operator's clothing catching on a spinning shaft, pulling him into the active equipment. Additionally, a worker at a plywood facility becomes pinned between heavy panels and a fixed rack after entering a discharge zone. Finally, a technician performing maintenance on a hot rolling line is trapped when the machinery unexpectedly activates because the power was not disconnected. These incidents emphasize following core safety principles, strictly adhering to lockout-tagout, low TO procedures, implementing proper machine guarding and sensors, maintaining a safe distance from discharge paths, and ensuring proper attire. This security footage from a production facility captures a significant safety lapse during the handling of heavy materials. Two team members were working together to secure a large, heavy panel onto a storage rack. While one individual was focused on fastening the safety restraints, the other worker prematurely released his hold on the panel. This caused the heavy board to lose balance and fall forward, pinning the first worker beneath it. This incident serves as a vital reminder of the risks associated with manual material handling and the necessity of coordinated teamwork. To prevent such events, team members must use clear verbal signals before releasing any load. Whenever possible, employ mechanical aids like forklifts or hoists to stabilize large items. Personnel should also avoid standing in a fall zone and ensure all heavy bases are properly braced before securing. This footage captures a sudden fire hazard at a textile facility where a small flame unexpectedly ignited in front of a worker. Reacting instinctively to prevent the fire from spreading to flammable inventory, the worker moved the material to an open area to extinguish the flames. Fortunately, the team suppressed the fire immediately, preventing property damage. This incident highlights the flammability of industrial materials and the need for rapid response protocols. While quick thinking helped, using a designated Class A fire extinguisher is always safer than handling ignited materials by hand. In textile environments, regular cleaning to remove lint and dust is essential to eliminate fuel for sparks. Employees should wear flame-retardant PPE, and facilities should install automatic suppression systems to contain flare-ups before they escalate into larger emergencies. This footage captures a serious safety incident involving a fall from an elevated position while two workers were securing a tarp over a truck from a high scaffolding structure. During the process, one worker lost his footing and balance, resulting in a fall to the ground below. This incident serves as a critical reminder of the dangers associated with working at heights and the necessity of rigorous safety protocols. To prevent such events, mandatory fall protection is essential. Any worker on an elevated platform must wear a properly anchored safety harness. Additionally, scaffolding must be equipped with sturdy guardrails and toe boards to provide a physical barrier. Maintaining clear, non-slip surfaces and training staff to use 3 points of contact when moving on structures are vital steps to ensure stability and maximize workplace safety. On a typical workday, a driver was preparing his vehicle after it had been fully loaded with goods. As he used tension straps to secure the cargo bundles, a large sack unexpectedly displaced from the top of the stack and struck him, causing him to lose his footing and fall. Fortunately, the impact was not severe, and nearby staff quickly assisted him while stabilizing the load. This incident highlights the importance of safe loading practices. To prevent such accidents, drivers must perform a top-down inspection to ensure no items are precariously balanced before securing them. Workers should maintain safe positioning by avoiding the vertical fall path of the cargo. Additionally, wearing a safety helmet in loading zones and utilizing stable stacking methods, such as interlocking patterns or shrink wrap, are essential steps to protect personnel and secure freight effectively. This footage from a repair workshop captures a near-miss incident caused by unstable equipment. While a group of technicians was focused on their tasks, an individual approached and made contact with a large piece of machinery. Because the unit had not been properly secured or bolted down, the contact caused it to lose balance and fall forcefully toward the floor, narrowly missing the workers standing nearby. This situation highlights the importance of equipment stability and workspace awareness. To prevent such hazards, all heavy machinery not in a permanent position must be properly braced, weighted, or bolted to prevent accidental tipping. Unauthorized personnel should maintain a safe distance from active work zones to avoid contact with unstable components. Furthermore, teams should conduct pre-task safety inspections to identify topple hazards and use clear signage or barriers to mark areas where equipment is temporarily unstable during maintenance. This footage documents a serious collision in a busy loading zone involving multiple industrial vehicles. While a forklift was transporting a large load that obstructed the operator's forward visibility, a small three-wheeled utility vehicle approached from a blind corner. Due to the restricted line of sight and lack of coordinated warnings, the forklift struck the utility vehicle with significant force, causing it to tip over and throwing the driver to the ground. Nearby personnel immediately rushed to the scene to provide assistance. This incident highlights the importance of internal traffic safety protocols. Forklift operators must travel in reverse or use a spotter when loads block their view. Facilities should install safety signs and convex mirrors at blind intersections. Additionally, vehicles must be equipped with functional alarms and lights to ensure they are detected from a distance, while personnel maintain high vigilance to prevent such collision risks. This footage captures various hazardous situations across industrial environments, including metal foundries, plywood mills, and logistics hubs where personnel interact with active heavy machinery. Common incidents include high-temperature materials dislodging, workers becoming entangled in rotating shafts due to proximity or loose clothing, and vehicle collisions in blind spots. These events unfold rapidly, leaving operators unable to react and requiring immediate emergency intervention. To prevent such accidents, facilities must strictly adhere to safety standards by installing physical guards and auto-stop sensors on all moving parts. Additionally, implementing lockout-tagout protocols, enforcing proper attire, and maintaining safe distances are vital. Warehouses should also establish pedestrian walkways and use mirrors or alarms to manage traffic, while comprehensive training helps employees identify pinch points. Are essential steps to prevent such failures and maintain a secure working environment. This footage captures a serious industrial accident involving a heavy lifting operation. A team of workers was utilizing a crane to move materials when a critical support strap unexpectedly snapped. The sudden failure caused the heavy load to drop instantly, striking a worker standing within the immediate fall zone. Nearby colleagues quickly rushed to provide assistance and secure the site. This incident serves as a vital reminder to never stand directly under or near a suspended load. To prevent such accidents, it is essential to conduct pre-lift inspections of all rigging hardware, establish a clearly marked red zone to keep personnel at a safe distance, and ensure all equipment meets certified load-bearing standards. Prioritizing these safe zone protocols is key to maintaining a secure working environment for everyone. This footage captures a sudden accident involving a driver exiting her vehicle where, preoccupied and distracted, she failed to notice an open hazard on the ground directly in her path. This lack of situational awareness caused her to lose her footing and fall unexpectedly into an unprotected opening, requiring nearby individuals to react quickly and help her back to safety. This incident serves as an important reminder to always scan your surroundings, even in familiar environments. To prevent such falls, individuals must maintain situational awareness by looking down before stepping out of a vehicle and eliminating distractions like mobile devices. Additionally, property owners should ensure all openings, such as manholes, are securely covered or marked, while ensuring that entry points are well lit to help pedestrians identify ground-level risks during low-light conditions.